Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV data with JWT for dashboard integration. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your EV data using JSON Web Token, or JWT, start by understanding the basics of JWT. Begin by setting up your development environment. Install any necessary libraries or frameworks needed for JWT authentication. Integrate the library compatible with your programming language and framework. Create a secure endpoint within your application for generating JWTs. Define the payload for your JWT. This payload should include relevant user information and permissions. Set an expiration time for your JWT to enhance security. Use a secret key to sign the JWT. Store the secret key in a secure location, and never expose it in your code. Next, implement the logic to generate the JWT when a user logs in. Upon successful authentication, issue the JWT to the user. Now, focus on the client side of your application. When making requests to secure endpoints, send the JWT in the HTTP headers. Use the authorization header to include the JWT for each request. On the server side, you will need to create middleware to verify the JWT. This middleware should validate the token and check its expiration. If the token is valid, proceed with the request. If not, respond with an error status indicating unauthorized access. To integrate your authenticated data into a dashboard, fetch the data securely. Ensure that all endpoints that deliver EV data require valid JWT authentication. Once the data is retrieved, transform and display it on your dashboard. Test the entire authentication flow thoroughly. Verify that tokens are issued correctly and that expired tokens are handled properly. Remember to log any failed authentication attempts for further analysis. Document your authentication scheme and processes for future reference. Finally, consider setting up refresh tokens for long-lived sessions. This will enhance user experience while maintaining strong security measures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.